Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Students, we are in unit 3, that is spreadsheets in Excel. In today's lesson we will discuss the spreadsheet examples. So today we will just study the monthly report of expenses spreadsheet. We will just discuss this example in today's lesson, and later on we will also discuss the other examples. The steps which are required to make this report of expenses, monthly report of expenses, that is, step number 1 is type heading and subheading in row number 1 and 2 and change its color. We can see it here in this image. Second is enter data in first 4 columns as in figure. Third step is to find out the sum of all expenses. Type equal to, and then the sum function will be called, and inside the parentheses we have to mention the range of cells which contains the values. In D16 contains the total or the sum of all expenses. The result is 21,950 will appear. We can see it here in this image. Type total income and monthly expenses in rows 18 and 19, which are shown here in this image. To find out the balance, means the remaining balance, type equal to and D18 minus D19. So in cell D20, which will display the result 8,050. So that will be the remaining balance. So in the upcoming slide I will be demonstrating this example in the Microsoft Excel, so don't forget to watch that video. Okay, now we will see that how we can solve this example in MS Excel. We will open a new Microsoft Excel file. Okay, first we will write the heading, that is monthly report of expenses spreadsheet. Okay, so it is enclosed in now here we will write the subheadings, that is serial number, further date, item name and price. Okay, you can also adjust the width of these cells from here. Okay, select all these cells and click on the merge and center option. So this heading will appear like this. You can also make it bold, or you can change the font color. Click on the bold. From here you can change the font color. In book it is made red. You can do it like this. Further, subheadings, color of subheadings can also be changed, so you can apply different colors from here. Okay. Make it bold, so it will become bold. Now here we have to input the serial numbers 1, 2. Okay, now here place the cursor, hold the control button, so it will increment automatically up to 30. Okay, now here we have to input the date. let's say the date that I am going to input is 02 dash okay, February 2 and 2020. Okay, let me change the format of date. From here you can change it. Click on the more number formats. Now it's United States. Click on the United Kingdom. So here you can see it's given. Click OK. Now you will see that the first number will indicate the day, and the second will indicate the month, and the last one will indicate the year. So increment it like this. Okay. Now the item names I have already typed it to save time. So I will just copy it from here, Control C and Control V. So I have just shifted them over here. Here we are going to write the price. I am writing exact prices which are given in the book, just to make it easy for you to understand. 1500, 800, 1200, 4000, 1500, 5000, 300, 750. Okay, mobile charges are 1000, 3000 for electricity bill, and telephone bill is 500, and finally the gas bill is 400. Okay, so here we have to calculate the total. It's very easy. We just need to put the formula, that is equal to, write the sum, select the function. Now we have to mention the range of numbers, that is from 2000 to 400, which is D15. So from D3 to D15, press enter. So the result is 21,950. Further, here we have to find input the total income. Total income is equal to, it's 30,000, and monthly expenses are equal to 21950 that we have calculated above. Now here we have to find out the remaining balance. For this purpose we have to subtract these values. Write equal to, then this column minus this one, D18 minus D19. So this will give us the remaining balance. Very simple. Okay, when I press enter, you can see that the remaining balance is 8050. which was given in the example. Okay, here if you want to highlight all the lines for this example, so you can do it like this. Select all the cells, and from here you can just click on all borders. See, all borders. So now it's more clear. So this is how you can solve this example in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. I hope you have got this lesson clearly. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Okay students, that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.